I love this. So this is a live update all the way from Bayelsa. In the case of Judge Idumagi, that guy worked by that real estate agent for Bayelsa.
Father can do this.
They don't finally carry and come Bayelsa. See how he did.
Man.
Yes, chain in legs. See how he be like a better person. If you not for chain in mouth, put that chain inside in truth. Evil man. Evil man. Inside say put am for prison.
Man, gallant.
Man, first things first, shout out to Puff.
Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ní ìkànnì Ashiri TV pé ẹ ṣé ẹ kú gbà gbogbo Ọlọ́run nínú àánú nípa náà fẹ́ eléyìí tá a ní síra wa. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rẹ̀ tí ẹ darapọ̀ wá ní ìkànnì ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì ẹ hàn notification button ẹ like ẹ comment ẹ share. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí. Kí máa gbé oríyìn fún very dark man eléyìí tí ó jẹ́ kí n rí iṣẹ́ yìí náà lò lórí ìkànnì yìí. Torí pé ọkùnrin tó ń sọ rárá fọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ àkọ́ṣẹ́ ló ń ṣe. Mo dìídì gbé fọ́nrán yìí látàrí pé kí gbogbo wa ká lè wà lójúfò ni. Mo máa ń ṣe àdúrà wípé àní kó sóko wá nǹkan jẹ, àdúrà tó yẹ kẹ́dà máa gbà lójoojúmọ́ ni. Nítorí wípé ọkùnrin lè tẹ́rí tó ń fi ṣẹ̀kẹ̀ṣẹ̀kẹ̀ sọ́wọ́ àtẹsẹ̀ yìí la gbọ́ wípé ó pe ẹnìkan wípé òun fẹ́ ta òun ní òun eléyìí tó jẹ́ ilẹ̀. Lẹ́yìn tí ìyẹn gbà láti bàtà tán táwọn onílẹ̀ sì ṣe owó sí i. Kódà kówó ilẹ̀ síta ló di ńgbà tí látàrí owó 9 million naira eléyìí tí wọ́n ló gbà ló torí ẹ̀ ṣe ikú pa ẹni ẹlẹ́ni tó ń ṣọ́ra ajé títí ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹnu ọlọ́fà ni mo ta ti máa ń dùn, ẹ jẹ́ ń fi fọ́nrán yìí lẹ̀ látòkè délẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ lè wò ó gẹ́gẹ́ bí very dark man ṣe sọ ọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ọlọ́run nínú àánú nípa náà fẹ́ ilé tá a ní síra wa. Ẹ gbọ́ bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí di ọ̀rọ̀ tó fi di pé ó di tọ̀rọ̀ ìyàwó olóògbé náà. Lẹ́yìn náà bí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá bó ṣe rọ́wọ́ tó. Ẹ ṣeun ẹ kú gbà gbogbo Ọlọ́run nínú àánú ẹ̀ kò ní jẹ́ ká tẹ́nísì ká o, àmín.
This Nigeria is becoming scarier and scarier by the day. Bro, this Nigeria is scaring me at this point. Now, this story I'm about to share now is one of the most scariest stories I've ever heard for my life. It's currently being handled by the police. And as a matter of fact, I won't know. And that make me want to share and make everybody know what they go on. Like, I won't know how this matter go end, bro. This is like a horror. Now, what happened? This man on my screen, his name is Mr. Richard Ekpebu. He's a real estate agent in Bayelsa. As a matter of fact, he's the vice president of all real estate agents in Bayelsa. So around June 2025, he was contacted by this guy, Judge Idumagi, also known as Pastor Brandy. So Pastor Brandy contacted him because they've known each other for a long time. Pastor Brandy said, Mr. Richard, I won't sell one land, I need money. Being that you are a real estate agent and the vice president, it go easy for you to sell. I beg, help me market the land. So when he told him, say paper day, say everything, all documentations are correct. So from that June, Mr. Richard started to look for buyer for the land. Around July, Mr. Richard can't see buyer for the land. He can't call George. Say, oh, I don't see buyer. They want to come for inspection immediately and they are willing to pay immediately. Being that you are the landlord, or you are come with the papers. Mr. George now came. The people that wanted to buy the land, they now sent a representative. That one said they. Then the real estate agent, Mr. Richard, 3 of them, they were there. So they inspected the land and they said they were going to make payments that day. They will make payment because they trust Mr. Richard and his position in Bayelsa State, saying I be the vice president of all agents. So they need to trust him and not get where to go. So they now said they want to pay money. That which account will they pay to? They now said they should pay to the landlord direct, which is Mr. George, aka Pastor Brandy. They say, okay, now so they wire and go Mr. George. When they wired the 9 million straight to Mr. George, they were now asking, say, okay, where papers? Mr. George now said, I beg you, I forget the papers they Port Harcourt. I only came because I want to know if you people are serious. Nobody say, oh, paper, I can't do paper up and down. They say, okay, they understand. Now, the people said, no, we're not going to let you go until we get papers. Then Mr. Richard now said, una no trust me. George, I have known George for years. You understand? Now my guy. Make George go Port Harcourt, go bring the papers. I'll collect the papers and I will hand it to you. So that was how those people left Mr. George and Mr. Richard. So Mr. George can't leave Richard, which is the estate agent. As he go, the next day,
Richard Concord George, Pastor Brandy say, how far now, where the papers, make I carry and give these people, let's close this deal. You understand? George say, saying they busy, they do one or two things. The next day, Richard say, how far George now, bring these papers, come, these people are disturbing me. Story enter. Third day, story enter. Fourth day, story enter. Mr. Richard convex. Now, the people where pay for the land straight to Mr. Richard, straight to Mr. George, start to disturb Richard. Eventually, one day, Mr. George's girlfriend, being this girl, now called Richard and I said, come and meet us in the hotel so that we'll give you the papers. So that was how Mr. Richard can't go hotel, go meet George and his girlfriend. As they meet George and his girlfriend for the papers, so they can't drive off. As they drove off, the next day, Mr. Richard, agent's wife, come they call the husband. How far, honey? How far? The husband go respond, say, in they do one transaction, say they busy. The wife go say, you know, come out today. He say no. The next day, she called him, honey, how far now? You know they come out. He say no, say one transaction go wrong. You understand? Say he's very, very busy. Transaction went wrong. So she didn't hear from him. Now, the people that paid that 9 billion naira to this man, Mr. George, they were now saying, come, Oga, give us our money if you are not giving us our papers. They now went to go and report to the police. Police can go arrest Mr. George. As they arrested Mr. George, they brought him to the station. Mr. George now said, how? That he has given money to Richard, that he does not want to sell land again. So he has transferred the money to Mr. Richard, who is the real estate agent, that they should go and collect their money from Mr. Richard. So them now, they were now calling Mr. Richard. Richard was not picking. They go text Richard, Richard go respond, because Richard was not responding on WhatsApp. He now told his wife that Mr. Richard, who is the estate agent, will say he is on the run. That transaction no go well. The wife converse, say, come, this small money, 9 million, now make you the run from family. Now where you don't get money, I no be your wife again, you they treat me wrongly, you no one follow me talk, you no one come my house, you know those things. She was not talking to him. She now even told him that, honey, you know me, I do business. Me say if I get money from my account. While they were chatting. So the husband, Mr. Richard, who is the agent, can say, oh yeah, you know what? Come and meet me in a hotel. Maybe and you talk with him day. Now, the night that she was supposed to go and meet him in the hotel, she now had fever. Because she no fit go. But she says she no like the fact saying now only chat the husband, they chat him. Do you understand? That night, the husband can send her 15,000 naira. That is Mr. Richard, the agent, this guy. Send 15,000 naira to the wife. So the next morning, the wife said she was not feeling good. She now said she wants to go and report to the police that the husband is acting strange and she does not know where the husband is. So as she was on her way to the police station, the president of all agents in Bayelsa, you know the husband is the vice. The president now said, come, where your husband? I don't look for him for how many days now, no see him. The wife say, even me, now only chat at the chat him. I never see him. I they call I know the pig boy, they chat me. So he now say, I want to go and report to the police. So they now went to the police, they now made the report. When they came back, that president now can go, you know, as a real estate agent. So himself, they go check land. As he now went to one particular land. As he was about to enter the land, one farmer can come out. The farmer can say, Oga, I beg, no enter that land or something they happen for you. I don't understand. Few days ago, I heard 3 gunshots. Two. And then I immediately went to go and peep. And I saw a car driving out. And I wrote the plate number. See the plate number. Then I went back there. I didn't see anybody. But I saw slippers. Now carry the slippers. So that president of the Real Estate Agents Association now snapped the slippers. Now sent it around. Say, who get these slippers? They say they hear gunshots. But they don't see anybody. They see slippers. As they were distributing the slippers, they now sent it to the wife of Mr. Richard. The wife of this man. Mr. Richard's wife see the slippers. Now my husband's slippers be this. Now my husband's slippers be this. So they immediately went to the bush. As they were searching, lo and behold, Mr. Richard's body, 9 days inside the bush. Now, they can't carry the plate number when that farmer writes. As they carried the plate number, they now went to go and trace the plate number with road safety. When they tracked, they now identified the name. Lo and behold, the name tallies with Mr. George, who is the owner of that land. Where contact Mr. Richard say he won't sell land. Apparently, now Mr. George, bye! Mr. Richard, bro. To what end, my God? To what end? Money?
They buy Mr. Richard. So they now kept on telling Mr. George, they come the tracker. They come the tracker. Mr. George, don't fly from Bayelsa, don't use road, don't enter Lagos. So he did Lagos. While they were surveilling his accounts, they put surveillance. They can't notice, say, he transferred 1 million naira to somebody. So all the people he transferred money to, they can't trace them. So they now found out that he transferred money to a female name. So they now kept on tracking. Now they now tracked. Lo and behold, when they tracked to a particular house, when they got to the house, the girl where they track, she don't pack her things, put them for diner. She won't move. Lo and behold, my girlfriend. So that day, when they tell Mr. Richard, may Mr. Richard come meet them for hotel. When they drove out, they drove to that empty land where they go buy Mr. Richard, Mr. George, and his girlfriend, where they call T Salvage on Facebook. They drove. Now there they light Mr. Richard. Now there they buy him. They come put inside that leather. To make matters worse, police can search the properties where she put inside the diner. They can't see the gun where they use. Bro.
Jesus Christ.
Nothing matter.
Answer that call.
Where the drive from?
Hey, traffic come there here. Which floor? Don't be say your house. Who get the person? Don't be a person beside your house. If you don't, I go slap you. I saw you when you know that deep.
I did not bring it outside, inside.
Are you not the one that put it inside?
Oh boy, human beings are wicked, bro. Human beings are wicked. To what end? How much be the money, bro? How much is this money? How much? How much? How much? They arrested her. They carry her to station. So when they got to the station, they started tracking. So as we speak now, they don't track George. As George won't leave Nigeria from the airport. According to the story, they've arrested him from the airport. So currently, they are at the Bayelsa State Police Command. First things first, I want to give a special shout out to the Commissioner of Police of Bayelsa, CP Alonyenu Francis Idu. Your boys did amazingly well on this case. Amazingly well. For the first time, I don't get anything to complain about police. Bro, from the tracking, everything you people did. Bayelsa State, Bayelsa State Police. If now not they do bad for this one, I try. So now to the wait now make justice. Sir, because this kind of person, this judge and the girlfriend, they're not supposed to live with people like us for this world. Not be today, these people go down, they do this thing. For that girl to get gone, and there's not be only those gone, they see how many things they see for her hand. Different tools of different guns. They see some components of AK-47 and some bullets. It's not their first time. Now this one, God take hold their hand. How many people these people go down buy like this, collect their property? This girl, see how she did. If you see this one now for Instagram now, you go say, oh my God. Only if God will let us they see people hearts, they will know the kind of people where they deal with every day. We go know the kind of people where they buy something for her hand. We go know the kind of person who they feed. See how she did, bro. Then we go know say like buy her this girl be. So she was trying to run away when police trace her, catch her. Now they don't catch her and George, then they station. Now you don't make this woman widow. Meanwhile, you George, this is your wedding day. Man will come out me go hustle for daily bread for him and his family. Now una just claiming life like that. The craziest part be say that time that they were chatting his wife, where the wife thinks say now her husband they chat him, they wanted to actually lure her, make them buy her too. It's a good thing, say she follow her spirit. If nobody say she fall ill that night, when she comes in, she go tell police. The plan was that they would deceive her because she kept on asking questions. They wanted to deceive her, lure her, finish evidence, they go light her. Meanwhile, you don't go police station. You don't tell police, you don't transfer the money. So everything is clear. Like they would have never been able to catch George. And thank God for that farmer. Let them find that farmer for me. People like that now we need for Nigeria. Thank God for that farmer that could pay attention to details. The fact say if you go write that number alone, I beg, I owe you 500,000. I beg. That farmer, God will bless you. May you still use that and take put for your family business. I beg. 500,000 for you, I beg. Because without you, nothing. That is patriotism. Every time, the government will blame the government. But the heart of a lot of Nigerians are desperately wicked. Rest in peace, Mr. Richard. And condolences to your wife. Madam, I don't know what to say. Understand? You are just a victim of the love of money is the root of all evil. You are just a victim of it. Rest in peace to your husband. And shout out to the Bayelsa State Police. Shout out to the Commissioner of Police, Alonyenu Francis Idu. God bless you, sir. So we'll be expecting more news about this matter. I beg. This kind of people in a firing squad, normally they're supposed to run them, no jokes. This kind of people, maybe just they go. The heart of man.
I love this. So this is a live update all the way from Bayelsa. In the case of Judge Idumage, that guy worked by that real estate agent for Bayelsa.
Father can do this.
They don't finally carry and come Bayelsa. See how he did.
Man.
Yes, chain in legs. See how he be like a better person. You for now for chain in mouth, put that chain inside truth. Evil man. Evil man. Inside say, put him for prison.
Man, gallant.
Man, first things first, shout out to Poor Father, a unit in Bayelsa State Police Command. And shout out to the Commissioner of Police in Bayelsa. And I don't make us proud for this case. CP Alonyenu Francis Idu, God will bless you. Now, low-key, I happy say you arrest him, but at the same time, I'm not happy you people arrested him. To be very, very honest, I am not happy. You get some cases where we say our police need to do accidental discharge. Some people no deserve to face trial. Some people no deserve to leave. You go just light down. If they say, what happen? You go to say you try to run and you off him. Because people like this, we get the kind of mind where this guy gets, do what he do. Bro, I sit down yesterday, I think about the story, I want Chris. You sit down, say you want sell your land. Spoke to a real estate agent, they help you find buyer. The buyer paid you the money. Buyer paid you. Only for you to bring papers. The agent will help you sell land. You carry and go inside bush, buy them, you and your girlfriend. Now buy them. Not just that. When I try to lure your wife, but when I also buy the wife just to cover evidence. Human being day. I dey go through internet, now even see another video of the guy.
And telling us a thing or two about himself. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. My name is Pastor Brandy George Idumage. I am from Agbe and Nembe, precise, Olebre clan in Agbe local government. I am vying for the position of the Financial Secretary, Central Zone.
Position for the Financial Secretary, Central Zone. What do you have to say to those out there that would have to, show
and
you...
why you won't be Financial Secretary? This is the kind of people that do anything for money. I want to be the I am aspiring to be the Financial Secretary of Ijo Youth Council. Anybody where hear am now? Anybody where hear am now go to say, oh, this one will be Financial Secretary because he can take care of the funds, he can manage the funds. Now God know why. No, they let us see human being hearts. Human beings are evil, brother. I even see another video of the girl for Dave blogger page.
Oh, I love you, baby. Say to my sweet and wonderful girlfriend, hope your birthday is as special as you had to me. Oh, you mean so much to me, and I am so grateful to have you in my life. I want to wish you all the best on your special day. I love you. Happy birthday, my sweet girl. Oh, thank you, baby. I love you more. Come my cake. Come and see my cake. Come and see my cake, Jesus. Hello, my baby. Oh, Jesus. Pinky.
See, Now so they carry themselves, they celebrate for Instagram, they pour other girls for pressure. Now guy now we buying that thing and a married man, oh, and two of them they buy people. Because they also hear say this George Idumage, they into bunkery. Now then they go they bust pipelines. Or you go spill, you go buy fish. Or you go spill, you go spoil land. Tantita go don't tire for now. Tompolo go don't tire. Kesti Pondi go free Pondi, all the Pondi, now don't Pondi there with stress. Bust pipeline, bunkery, scatter everywhere. Nigerian police, there's one thing you people need to learn. In as much as I appreciate you people, we get some people where we say they know they investigate. Just run them. No, not just they do as dental discharge like all these kidnappers. Because I don't do a lot of investigation for Nigeria on some cases. Where we say I know people put online. They go catch kidnapper, they'll carry and go court. After like 2-3 months, they don't release the kidnapper. One of the godfather don't press button, don't do connection. They'll say they don't get evidence enough to prosecute them. They don't get evidence enough to jail them. They'll release the kidnapper. But if to say police, they do like accidental discharge now, you don't like time, you go to say, he tried to run. Una for don't reduce kidnapping. And even the one where they send go prison, from inside prison, you go to coordinate crime from outside. Nigerian police, I beg, time don't reach on now, they do some kind of sacrifice for the benefit of all of us. On a more serious note, this is no jokes. Time don't reach on, I'm going to do some kind of sacrifice. So long your conscience is clean, saying a bad person you carry and a kidnapper and a highway robber, where go down, chances they say don't pipe people off harm. That being said, I know say a lot of now go abuse this thing where we they talk now. Why I not go even want to encourage this accidental discharge matter? Because there are stories of police too. Not Bayelsa police. Because Bayelsa police now, they don't deal on my good book on like 3-4 cases. There are cases of police for Lagos. Again, I'm not generalizing the police in Lagos. Some police, there are stories of when they'll carry somebody, go to Milan Bridge, they'll buy the person, throw him inside water, carry him motor, go. And the people where they target, now these boys where they accuse of Yahoo. They'll carry all these boys, they'll stop them where they drive Benz. They'll use gun, they tell them, say, give me your password, they'll collect password, transfer all their money. They'll collect address to their house. They'll follow them, go to their house, collect document and everything. Next thing, they'll carry the person, go to Milan Bridge. They'll drop her inside water, carry the motor, go. Stories of that thing there for Lagos. Not just Lagos, it happened for my state, Benin. They talk and to say they happen for Benin. In a lot of states. So this is why I don't even want to encourage them. But I beg, you get some people, Nigerian police, where no deserve to reach police station. I beg, you people need to understand this. Some people don't deserve to face trial. Because some of these are our judiciary now our problem. But above all, thank you very much to the Bayelsa State Police. Shout out to the CP Alonyenu Francis. God will bless you. And poor father, low key. They say when I say they give boys wahala. But above all things, they say he get one thing that they do. They say the crime for Bayelsa are strong where now they don't shut down a lot of things like cultism. They say when I don't enter cultism where when I scatter them, kidnapping and all. Say when our department really did good on that. You understand? So shout out to poor father and shout out to the Bayelsa State Police. We'll be waiting for more updates on this case. And thank you very much, Chidex. Now you go there, go station yourself. Make sure say we give updates on this issue. Chidex, Ratel member in Bayelsa. We get program where they come up soon, Operation Clean everywhere in order to promote patriotism in Nigerians. Thank you very much. Peace and love, don't play. We need justice.